MindR AI is a powerful new tool in the rapidly growing world of AI software, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been curious about how this software can help you, whether for business, personal productivity, or creative projects, stick around until the end. I'll give you the rundown and you'll be able to decide if it's the best AI tool for you. Plus, I've got a link below where you can try MindR AI completely free, so make sure to check that out. Now let's dive in. First, MindR AI focuses on simplifying complex processes. Whether you're automating mundane tasks, generating content, or analyzing data, it streamlines everything, helping you save time and increase efficiency. The software boasts an intuitive interface, which makes it easy for even beginners to get started. If you've ever struggled with using AI tools that require a steep learning curve, MindR AI takes the frustration out of the equation. One of the most impressive features of MindR AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It's designed to understand context and nuances, meaning it doesn't just spit out robotic responses. Whether you're working on a customer service chatbot or looking to generate high-quality blog posts, the software adapts and delivers content that feels conversational and human-like. In addition to text-based tasks, MindR AI also supports image and video generation. That's right. If you need to create visual content quickly for marketing campaigns or social media, MindR AI can help you do just that. The tool uses AI to generate images or even short video clips based on simple prompts, saving you countless hours in design work. Another standout feature is its robust analytics capabilities. You can track how your content performs, see real-time data on user engagement, and adjust strategies without needing to rely on complicated third-party tools. This makes it especially valuable for digital marketers who want to quickly pivot their approach based on data-driven insights. MindR AI is also versatile, supporting integrations with a variety of platforms, including Google Analytics, social media tools, and CRM systems. This means it fits seamlessly into your existing workflow, whether you're managing an e-commerce store, a blog, or a full-fledged digital marketing campaign. No need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to your tech stack. When it comes to security, MindR AI doesn't cut corners. It ensures that your data is protected with top-notch encryption, giving you peace of mind while you work with sensitive information. In today's world, security is a huge concern, and MindR has made sure that it's a priority. Lastly, the pricing structure is designed to be flexible. So whether you're an individual looking to optimize your daily tasks or a large enterprise that needs to scale, there's a plan that fits your needs. Plus, they're offering a free trial, which means you can give it a go before committing. To sum it up, MindR AI is a game changer in the world of AI software. It offers easy-to-use features, integrates seamlessly with other tools, and has the power to automate tasks and generate content like a pro. If you're looking to boost productivity, enhance your marketing, or just save time on routine tasks, this could be the software you've been waiting for. As always, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've gathered my recommended software for you in the description below. You can test them out for free and see which ones fit your needs best. Remember, the link to try MindR AI for free is right below this video. Check it out and see if it's the right tool to help you elevate your work.